Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your clips in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we can select one that we want to work on. After we selected the project, in the bottom bar there is the text button. We tap on this, and then we can find in this bar at the bottom the stickers icon. After we tap on the stickers, we can browse and select one that we like. Let's say it's this hunter's hat, and then this sticker is going to be added to our clip. We can rotate it, we can resize it, and save everything by tapping the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.